Today we use white jade mushrooms and eggs. Let me share with you a delicious home-cooked dish. Scrambled eggs with white jade mushrooms. This dish is not only simple, it's very affordable, super meal. The most important thing is that adults and children alike love to eat. If you master this method, I believe you will love it too. If you like this dish too, be sure to collect it and try it. Follow my video next. Let's see how it works. First, prepare 3 yuan of white jade mushrooms. Cut off its roots first. Then cut the white jade mushroom in half with a knife. Cut and put into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt, then pour in a little more water to cover the white jade mushrooms. Because white jade mushrooms look very clean, in fact, there are some eggs or dust. Let's soak the white jade mushrooms in salt water. It can effectively remove bacteria and impurities inside. At this time, we will prepare some ginger and garlic. Cut the ginger and garlic into thin slices first. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another red pepper. Cut the red peppers into filaments. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another green pepper in the same way. Shred it too. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a handful of scallions. Cut into long sections. After cutting, put it in a small bowl and set aside. Next, whisk 2 serious hen eggs into the bowl. Add a little salt to the base. Add some white vinegar to remove the fishy smell. Then mix well with chopsticks. When we were beating eggs, pick it up with chopsticks. This way, the eggs will be more fluffy, then soft. Finally, stir until you can't pick it up with chopsticks. Next, make a sauce. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to a small bowl. Add some oyster sauce to freshen up. A pinch of salt. Add some sugar. Half a spoonful of cornstarch. Then add a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Let's make a sauce in advance. It can save cooking time. At the same time, it can prevent you from being in a hurry when frying. Don't put it when you put the seasoning. Mix it all well and put it aside for later use. This time, all white jade mushrooms have also been soaked. Let's wash it first. Take it out and put it in a large bowl. Wash it twice more. Clean the white jade mushrooms thoroughly. After washing it all, put it on a plate for later use. Next, add a little more water to the pot. Add a spoonful of salt after the water boils. Add some cooking oil. Then pour the washed white jade mushrooms down. Blanch the water. This can remove oxalic acid. It can also remove the odor in the white jade mushroom. Blanch for about 1/2 分钟. Remove it from the water and put it in a large bowl for later use. Next, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the eggs into the pan first. Fry until the bottom is set. Then slide it away quickly. Fry all the eggs into small pieces. After frying, fish it out first. Put it on the plate for later use. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. Then pour the onion, ginger, and garlic down and fry until fragrant. After frying the incense, add the white jade mushrooms. Then turn to high heat and stir fry quickly. First, fry the moisture in the white jade mushrooms dry. Be sure to stir fry here. The white jade mushrooms fried in this way will be more crispy. It won't taste soft. And it's not easy to get out of the water by stir frying over fire. After scrambling, add the eggs. Then continue to stir fry evenly. Let the eggs and white jade mushrooms fully integrate. Absorb their fragrance from each other. After frying, add the green and red peppers. Pour in the prepared sauce. Then continue to stir fry. Fry the green and red peppers until they die. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you very much for always my support and encouragement. It's almost time to fry. Add a little sesame oil to it. Can increase fragrance. It can also make the dishes more shiny. It's a very delicious home-cooked stir-fry. Scrambled eggs with white jade mushrooms. You can put it on a plate. White jade mushrooms are full of umami, plus eggs. The two are delicious together. White jade mushrooms are crisp and delicious. Eggs are fragrant and smooth. This dish is for both the elderly and children. They all like to eat very much. Special meal. If you like it too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. I post a different food video every day. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.